I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start as an administrator and close all Office apps so nothing blocks removal. Open Settings apps, locate Microsoft 365, and jot the version this guides later steps. Once done, create a Windows restore point to recover if needed. Next, download and run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. It automates many cleanup tasks. Running SAW Array first removes primary components cleanly, which prevents leftover services from resisting manual removal. Make sure you have internet access for activation checks. After SAW Array, check programs and features for any remaining Microsoft Office or 365 entries and uninstall them. Accept reboots when prompted. Once the main uninstall finishes, remove leftover folders under C, \program files, C, \program files, x86, and %appdata %Microsoft \office. This eliminates stray files. Then open regedit and delete Office-related keys under HKLM and HKCU. Export keys first to backup. Restart Windows and run disk cleanup to remove temporary installer files. Then inspect Services and Task Scheduler for any Office-related tasks and disable them if necessary. If you intend to reinstall, run the Office installer or repair tool and confirm activation after sign-in. If something went wrong, revert to the restore point you created or run the official bulk uninstall script. Collect specific error codes and log files to speed troubleshooting. One key tip: if activation or provisioning fails, sign out of all Microsoft accounts and retry as an administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.